to enable or disable number key row on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Layout. After click on Layout, you will see number keys here. If you want to disable number keys, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see number key is disabled. If you want to enable number keys, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see number keys is enabled. You will enable or disable number keys from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable numbers key row on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.